Hi, I'm Charlotte Porter, and I was really hoping to meet every one of you in person, be able to do a raspberry growing clinic. Unfortunately, our road is a mud bog, like I told you on the text, and it's just a mess trying to get here. Normally this time of year it's fine, but anyway, we're going to do plan B. And I grew up on a fruit farm in Illinois, and we had strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, so I've spent a lot of my life pruning and caring for fruit. And when we moved to Alaska 16 years ago, I wanted to figure out what grew well here, and I wanted to grow it. And especially when I saw the price of fruit in the store, I mean, honestly, we don't eat as much fruit as we should probably just because of the price. So I thought, man, I want to grow something that my kids can eat just as much as they want of. And so for me, that's been raspberries. And I got some plants from a lady, and I started with about 6 plants, and they just spread. Pretty soon I had 5 gallons, 8 gallons, 10 gallons a year, and we had plenty for our family. And raspberries, they're so delicious. They grow super well here. They're easy to freeze. Some things you can do with them is simply freeze them. We like them in smoothies. We have a raspberry sherbet recipe that we love. You can make jam. This is raspberry rhubarb jam. We love that. They're just delicious in pies, all kinds of things. And it's really not that hard. You can do it, and I want to help you to be able to grow your own raspberries, as many as your family can eat. You can grow. They're not that hard. You can do it. So I'm going to share everything I know and try to help you be able to do that.